Subscribe to Drama YT and press the bell icon to get the latest videos first of the all. Hey guys, how are you? It's K2 and welcome back to Drama YT. In this video, I'm going to talk about my top 10 Chinese dramas where the popular guy fall for the unpopular girl. As always, do check the description box for more information. Just give this video a like and do comment below that which drama list you want to watch next. And now let's get to it. Number 10. Gang Cure Heart. Their meeting was a recipe for disaster, but their romance is sweet. This is a love story between an esports gamer and a Tisondri live streamer. Ji Xiangkong had the reputation, the good looks, and the hordes of fangirls. Shuing meets him during an international competition and jumps at the chance to boost her own popularity, oblivious to the fact that his reputation in the world of esports is strangely tarnished. Instead of helping her, the association hurt her even more. The experience turns out to be a blessing in disguise as Sewing finds her calling. By chance, she discovers that Ji Xiangkong is actually a misunderstood genius. Number 9. When We Were Young. A nostalgic story that revolves around high school students during the year 1996. While chasing down a bike thief during the summer, Yangshi gets injured by a lab explosion that renders her unable to compete in a long distance run. When school opens, she realizes that the culprit behind her misfortune has transferred to her class and has even taken her position as class president. He is Huabio, a hot-blooded, rash and gentle genius of the science department. Huabio's arrival immediately puts his classmate on guard and he must prove himself to be accepted by the class. Later on, they go through lots of ups and downs in life. Number 8. I Hear You. Bayerduo, a girl from an ordinary family, dreams about studying in Japan to be a professional voice actress. However, her mother wants her to marry rich while she is young, leading to continuous blind dates, which irritates her. In her desperation to raise funds for studying overseas, as well as helping her best friend Tangli out of a crisis, Bayerduo joins a couple reality program encountering top violin maker Ye Shu Wei. Ye Shu Wei is from a family of artists and has a low-key, mysterious, and genius character in both the composing and violin industry. He was forced to join the reality program having lost a bet to his nephew Yu Sheng. But in fact, the actual reason that attracted Ye Shu Wei to participate in the show is not his bet with Yu Sheng. Instead, he seeks to identify the person who correctly answered his audition questions. Because the reality show is faced with the crisis of integrity, Bayerduo and Ye Shu Wei start a lively and funny cohabitation life and spontaneously fall into the fate of a wonderful romance together. Number 7. Likopde Fodre, or I Only Like You. Zhao Xiaoyi and Yanmo may have been high school classmates, but the only thing they had in common was the desk they shared in the class. One is a top student and the other falling miserably. These two couldn't have been more different, and yet it doesn't take long for a strong bond to form between them. Promising to study abroad together after high school, this unlikely pair seems to have the world before them. But when an unexpected family emergency forces Xiaoyi to back out on their plans, the two drift apart and eventually lost touch. 4 years later, the long-lost friends are reunited and old flames are quickly rekindled. Finally willing to accept her feelings for Yanmo, Xiaoyi moves back to the city, determined to pick things up where they left off all those years ago. But with Yanmo already in a relationship, Xiaoyi's love seems destined to fail. But is it really? Unbeknownst to Xiaoyi, Yanmo hasn't forgotten his old friend, nor the feelings he has for her. Unable to express those feelings, Yanmo chooses to keep his action and his feelings a secret. Always moving in the background, he works tirelessly to take care of his high school friend, but how long will he be able to keep this up before she realizes the truth? Number 6. A Little Thing Called First Love. It tells the story of an ordinary girl who falls head over heels for the most popular guy in school. Xia Miao Miao is a shy, artistic student who develops a crush on a handsome, talented classmate and embarks on a journey of self-discovery through college. Because of Liang Yunyan, Xia Miao Miao decides to make a change. Through the help of her friends, she starts to learn about fashion, join school clubs, and studies hard to raise her grades, her ordinary life becoming more colorful day by day. Number 5. Love is Sweet. Jiang Zun is a girl who is allergic to tears and has a double degree in economics and psychology. She is unrestrained and idealistic due to her family's superior background. After graduation, she worked in a philanthropy organization where she pursues her dream. However, her father's sudden accident leaves her in a dilemma. Eventually, she decides to work in a top investment company to fulfill her father's dying wish. In MH, Jiangjun meets her childhood playmate Yuan Shuai. However, the current Yuan Shuai is no longer her gentle protector but her rival. In MH, where the culture of wolf instinct is rampant, someone is plotting against Jiangzun while someone sees her as an eyesore. However, with her kind nature and attention to details, along with her high EQ and sense of judgment, Jiangzun eventually attains success both in her career and also in love life. Number 4. Accidentally in love. Chen Xingxing, the heiress of a rich family, desperately wants to avoid an arranged marriage and find love on her own terms. On her wedding day, she flees town and heads out to enroll in the same college where her parents studied, hoping to find out more about their deaths. In an effort to hide her true identity, she changes her appearance and begins to blend in with her classmates. Her school deskmate turns out to be the famous singer Situ Feng, with whom she has already had multiple run-ins. They start off on the wrong foot, quarreling constantly and causing each other grief. But could there be more between them? Thus starts Xingxing's quest for answers about her parents' death and a chance at a real love. Number 3. Put your head on my soldier. On the cusp of graduation, an accounting major searching for her career winds up living with a genius physics student who shakes up her daily routine. Situmo is a graduating student. As someone who got used to having her whole life planned out for her, she is at loss about her future and can't find the courage to make a decision for herself. Because the school districts have merged, physics major Gu Wei barks into her life. They clash repeatedly without noticing that they are slowly walking into each other's hut. To their surprise, they accidentally end up having to live together and then their romance blooms. Number 2. A Love So Beautiful. It starts off with high school classmates Chen Xiaoxi and Jiang Chen, who are also neighbors. Xiaoxi, a cheerful girl who doesn't study much, is expressive about her admiration towards Jiang Jing, the popular guy known for his looks and high grades. Together with their fellow classmates, the funny Lu Yang, athletic but loyal Jing Xiao, and cool swimming team member Wu Bosong, they embark on high school life to university until their adult life. Number 1. Love O2O. Shaonai is a gaming expert who, courtesy of his basketball skills, academic excellence, swimming talent, and game company presidency, also happens to be the most popular student on campus. When he first comes across the gorgeous computer science major Bei Weiwei, the infinitely talented wonder kid immediately falls in love. But it's not Weiwei's look that he first notices, it is the ridiculous mastery with which she is commanding her guild and owning everyone in an online multiplayer game that makes her impossible to forget. Now, Shaonai must use his skills both in real life and online to capture the adorable but dorky Weiwei's heart. But does their love have the XP to succeed, or will this relationship will never level up? So that was it guys, the video ends here. I hope you have liked this video. If you have watched the video till here, give this video a like and subscribe to Drama YT. And yet you guys have not followed me on the Instagram handle, which is right in front of you. It is called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. And I will see you later as always. Your K2. Love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.
रास्ते में कभी स्कूल के बस्ते पे ढूंढे तो मिल जाएगा एक नया आइडिया बनाया कोर्स के रोबोट को और संग है मियो को